Hello everyone, welcome to my online class. This is Dayanand sir, and once again I am present with a new chapter of English literature, chapter number 13. And the title of this chapter is The Clock. But before we start this chapter, you can see that one activity has given in your book before you read. And question is mark the time when you do these activities. So first of all of you will mark the time. This all activity you do in a day from morning to evening. For example, I wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, or you can write 6. I wake up 6 a.m. According to first picture, you can write 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. like this. So all of you will do it yourself. Now come to the poem. Actually, you can see that the title of this chapter is The Clock. It means this is a very short poem. So in this poem, we will learn about a clock. Clock. What does Taylor's clock, and what does the clock teach us? These two important questions. What does the clock tells us, and what does the clock teach us? These two important things we will try to learn through this poem. Okay, so let's start for the reading practice. This is the first part of this chapter, this poem. So first we will do reading practice, and the reading practice in the first paragraph of this poem is: there is a neat little clock in the schoolroom. It stands and it points to the time with its two little hands. It means, according to the first paragraph, there is a neat little clock in the classroom. It stands. Where is clock? Clock is in the classroom, and it points to the time. It denote or it point to the time with its two little hands. We know that a clock has two hands, longer hand and smaller hand. Smaller hand is called hour hand, and the longer hand is called minute hand. It means smaller hand points hour and longer hand points minute, and one more hand which always move inside the clock, that is called the second hand. It means total there are three hands in a clock, but mainly two, hour hands and minute hand. So with the help of these two hands, always the clock tells us about right time. Okay, now come to the next paragraph. Next paragraph is: and may we, like the clock, keep our face clean and bright, with hands ever ready to do what is right. मतलब and may we and may we like the clock, हम लोग भी क्लॉक की तरह हो सकते हैं. कीप अ फेस क्लीन एंड ब्राइट, हमें भी अपना फेस क्लीन और ब्राइट रखना चाहिए. विद हैंड्स एवर रेडी टू डू व्हाट इज राइट, हमेशा जो है सही चीज़ करने के लिए हमें तैयार रहना चाहिए. ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड दिस इज two short poem. Okay. Now come to the next page. Next page is read and write section. Three questions are there and one activity corner. In activity corner, all of you will draw two hands of the clock to point out the given time in the box. In next video, we will do exercise of this chapter and I will explain about the meaning of this poem. This is so simple poem. Actually, overall explanation of this poem is a little clock always tells us about time and we should do our work on right time. So students, first all of you will read and learn this chapter, learn this poem properly. Thank you.